Cause I didn't know. Cause I didn't know. Being us. Cause I didn't know. I'm tryna hold that lead. I'm tryna hold that lead. I didn't know the truth about her. I didn't know the truth about her. I didn't know we'll go to Shatile. I didn't know we'll go to Ngena. I didn't know we'll go to Shatile. I didn't know we'll go to Ngena. I thought to go take him to Lile. I thought to go take me and him to Lilo. Me got a Lomtana ungalili. Otalang mi se makode. Tonkin soup. Lomtana ungalili. Ma SMS MMS every day. Marama pibiza. Genzanili. Lomtana ungalili. Cause I didn't know. Cause I didn't know. Cause I didn't know. Cause I didn't know. I beg a mushu mape, a chama botlep. Kuhle bakhe bebuqhakaza ukudlulilanga melfela mara yena. Oh, bega Sunday lokuhleba mamkopozi iphusha umkhosi. Phanda amasent bengimbona ngo Friday, nango Saturday, Sunday, sometimes nange holiday. Ngoba for sure phakathi kwefiki bengisespanini. Siskape 3 years. Isikhathi esiningi bega hlala nendoda yakhe cause ayikwazi ukuyenza abantwana bengisipemtona sakhe. You can imagine. Angenza isikhathini rolo noma kwaphela. Benza kanjani umaphepeza ngimthembile bengithi ngizombika kwabadala. Mara yena wenze ezinye izinto esikabadala. Fika badala yona, fika badala jo impilo njengesitha yona, fika badala. Respect to every lovers and friends. Thando bafowethu. Impilo njengesitha uNkulunkulu uyastyle. Chilling with Phoenix Flammes, Mike Music, number 10. On a Monday. Yeah, sober my nigga. Nice beat. 2016, 25th. It's coming.